Now for our last Community Educator Award, this will be for the educator teaching at the high school level. And the winner is MOE Robotics, Brandi Mycoff, and John Larock.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone. I'll tell you, first off, all of you folks here that we're hearing stories about, you rock. You really rock. So awesome job. You inspire us, as others have said. A robot is an electromechanical device. We're a team that builds robots, has high school students building robots, but the robots are also a vehicle, and the vehicle is for the students to connect with engineers and professionals, technical professionals, so they can see themselves in a technical STEM career. Dean Kamen, the founder of FIRST, the organization that kind of sponsors the team that we're part of, says that it's a sports team. We're a sports team, but this is a sports team where every student can go pro. Every student can get a job in STEM. As Sam mentioned earlier, there are jobs out there for everyone. And so we're proud to be able to contribute to that. And also, it's not just what we do, but how we do it. One of the values of the program that we're in is something called gracious professionalism. It means that we're competing, we're on a team, but we're not competing like a lot of sports teams compete. We're helping each other as we do it. Gracious professionalism means making your grandmother proud at all times. And we have students that actually work with other teams to get their robots running so we can compete against them. This is what we need to do as a world today, to come together to do these things. And we're very proud to be with everyone else here being recognized to do that. So thank you.
Carl Arnold, John Larock, Brandi Mycoff, Joseph Perrotto, Louis Rossi, Rick Schlack, and Brian West are all mentors of the Delaware High School Robotics Team. The team, founded in 1999, is a program of First State Robotics, a Delaware nonprofit organization with a mission to motivate and inspire youth to pursue STEM careers through robotics programs. The team named itself the Miracle of Engineering, MOE for short. For 23 years, MOE has built robots to compete in the International First Robotics Competition. Typically, the MOE team consists of 30 to 45 students from local high schools. Each year, between 11 and 16 schools are represented. The team strives to have a significant percentage of female students and underrepresented groups. The mentors work side by side with students to teach them technical, problem-solving, and teamwork skills, as well as showing how to apply math, science, and engineering in the design, development, and fabrication of a robot. The team operates in parallel with the school year. The program starts in the fall with the MOE University. This is a series of education sessions where students participate in deep dive applied learning to develop skills needed for designing and building their robot. The robot build session starts in early January with the formal reveal of the season's game challenge to some 3,500 teams worldwide. The team has then 2 months to design and build a competitive robot, since competitions occur in March and April. This season, the robot had to shoot balls at a goal 12 feet off the floor, as well as climb a set of overhead monkey bars. In developing their robot, the MOE team followed the traditional engineering design process. First, the team needed to learn the year's game requirements and brainstorm strategies as well as necessary robot functions to execute the strategy. In planning their robot, team members had to estimate parabolic motion of balls shot from the robot to score the goal, accurately model parts of the robot to build a CAD model, and program robot reactions to sensor input. Beyond that, they had to ensure the total weight met the 125-pound weight limit, determine the center of gravity of the robot to minimize the robot swinging as it climbs from bar to bar, and understand how the robot sensors work. Since the robot is a complex machine, its design is actually a series of separate designs for different robot functions, such as driving around, collecting and shooting balls, and climbing bars. The team broke into sub-teams focused on these specific functions. The robot design evolved throughout the competition phase as the team robot competed with other robots, which were also continually improved. To keep up, the MOE team needed to do the same. Through practical experience, team members truly understand how the engineering design process works and why it works well. They are exposed to tools that employers use every day. While building their robot, students learn life lessons, how to solve problems, and how successful businesses work and are sustained. Students get to know technical professionals by working with them on a common challenge. The robot is used as a vehicle to inspire and motivate students to become confident adults who understand and pursue STEM careers. Over the team's 23 years, 95% of the graduating team members have gone to either four-year or community colleges, and over 80% have selected STEM majors of study. The team is very proud of its alumni who are working in STEM jobs locally at DuPont, J.P. Morgan Chase, W.L. Gore, AstraZeneca, KBR, and nationally at SpaceX, Google, Facebook, Honeywell, Lockheed Martin, and Twitter.